Here are 15 essential tips and tricks to boost your productivity and creativity in Adobe Photoshop. These advanced techniques will help you make the most out of Photoshop, whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills. 1. Use adjustment layers. Adjustment layers allow you to apply effects like brightness, contrast, and color adjustments non-destructively, giving you more flexibility in editing. 2. Master keyboard shortcuts. Familiarize yourself with shortcuts like Ctrl+J duplicate layer, Ctrl+T transform, and Alt+Ctrl+Z step backward to speed up your workflow. 3. Smart objects. Convert layers to smart objects to preserve the original data. This way, you can apply non-destructive filters and transformations. 4. Layer masks. Instead of erasing parts of a layer, use layer masks to hide or reveal parts of a layer non-destructively. This technique is essential for compositing and retouching. 5. Blend modes. Experiment with blend modes, for example, multiply, screen, overlay to achieve creative effects and enhance your images. Layer blend modes can change how layers interact with each other. 6. Content-aware fill and move. Use content-aware fill, edit fill content-aware to remove objects seamlessly, or content-aware move to reposition objects while automatically filling in the background. 7. Custom brushes and brush settings. Create custom brushes or modify existing ones by adjusting settings like size, hardness, and dynamics. Custom brushes are great for adding texture, retouching, and digital painting. 8. Quick selection and refine edge. Use the quick selection tool for fast selections, then refine them with the select and mask workspace to achieve smooth edges, especially for hair or fur. 9. Quick mask mode. Press Q to enter quick mask mode, where you can paint over areas to create or refine selections. This is useful for precise selections on complex subjects. 10. Use actions to automate tasks. Photoshop actions let you record a series of steps and apply them automatically to other files, saving time on repetitive tasks. 11. Non-destructive editing with clipping masks. Use clipping masks to apply adjustments or effects to specific layers without affecting the entire image. This keeps your workflow flexible. 12. Use guides and the grid. Activate guides Ctrl+ and the grid Ctrl+ for precise alignment and positioning of elements. Snap to these guides for accuracy. 13. Camera Raw filter. Apply the Camera Raw filter to any layer for advanced adjustments in exposure, contrast, clarity, and more. It's a powerful tool even for non-raw images. 14. Perspective warp. Use perspective warp. Edit perspective warp to correct or manipulate the perspective of parts of your image. This is particularly useful for architectural photography. 15. Use the healing brush and patch tool for retouching. The healing brush J and patch tool are perfect for removing blemishes, wrinkles, and other imperfections while preserving texture and lighting.